Go into the light. Well, this is my retarded robot. As you can see, it's not exactly doing what it's meant to do. Almost though. Almost. Go on. Go on. Well. Here. I gotta reset it. The way it works is 5 seconds after you turn it on, it calibrates itself, and then see this doesn't, it's not working.